today, boys and girls, I was eating a 3D shape because I forgot to do the video. Oh no. What shall I do? I think we better not do that shape today. Hang on. Now, you have all been so amazing in maths at learning about 2D shapes. So we thought it would be a good idea to do 3D shapes. Now, 2D shapes are flat, aren't they? On a piece of paper or something. 3D shapes, you can see all the way around. How cool is that? Now, I know it's a little bit rounded at the edges, but what shape is that there? It's a square, isn't it? Yes, but look, when I turn it round, there's another square, and another square, and another square, and another square. Do you want to know something really funny? The surfaces on a 3D shape are called faces. I thought that was the face, but that's a face too. Now, this 3D shape is called a cube. Shall we count how many faces a cube has? Are you ready? We'll start with that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6 faces. Now, like a 2D shape, 3D shapes have got vertices. Do you think this one's only got 4? No, it hasn't. Let's see. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices, which are like corners, aren't they? Do you know what? They've got something else as well, 3D shapes. They've got edges. Right, there's an edge, there's an edge, there's an edge, there's an edge. But I just think today we'll talk about the faces of a 3D shape and the vertices. Can you remember what that one was? A cuboid. Okay, now, what about this one? Do you know what this shape is called if it's a 3D shape? I know, it's a marble and it looks like a ball. It's got a very tricky name as a 3D shape. This is called a sphere. Not a Sophia, a sphere. Okay, yeah, it's like a ball. Now, do you see any vertices on here? And how many faces do you think it has? Well, actually, my reflection is in there, so it's got Mrs. Wilson's face in, but that's not the type I mean. It's got one face, because it goes all the way around, the surface goes all the way around the sphere. Can you say that? Sphere, that's it. Now, what shall I use? I've not just had an ice cream, might have had some of these. Now, does anybody know what sort of a shape a Pringle tin is? What happens if I do that? It's a circle, and on its bottom there is a circle, and it goes all the way around on here. Shall we see how many faces it's got? I don't mean that face there, do I? Hello, Mr. Pringle Man. It's got 1 face, 2 face, 3 faces. Wow! So it looks like a circle, but when I stand it up, it doesn't. This 3D shape is called a cylinder. A cylinder. That's a strange word too, isn't it? Now, we've done cuboid, we've done cylinder, a cube, and now I've got a cuboid. What shape is this box of crackers? It's got a long side there, and 2 short sides. It's a rectangle. But look, when I turn it over, there are lots of rectangles. Shall we count how many faces this box of crackers has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. So, if it looks like a rectangle and it's a 3D shape, it's a cuboid, which is a bit like cube, but it's got boid on the end. A cuboid. Now, you might be able to see that I've got lots of different 3D shapes here, but they are all cuboids, cubes, and cylinders. Do you think today, for maths, you could look around your house and see if you could find some? Shall I show you a few more of mine? What's this? Ignore that little bit on there. It forgot to get packed away at Christmas. It's a Christmas decoration, but what 3D shape is it? Is it a cuboid? No, it's a sphere. And, oh, this came out of my kitchen. What shape do you see? It's got square faces, so it's a cube. That's for making gravy. And what have I got here? Oh, do you remember what this shape was? It's got circles on the ends, and then it's got a surface that goes all the way around, and it's got 1, 2, 3 faces. Can you remember it was a cylinder. Well done. And quick, what's that one? A cylinder. Oh, now my favourite tin. It looks a bit of a different shape to the others because you can get tall cylinders and you can get short, fat cylinders too. Should we check it's a cylinder? It's got a circle on the top, circle on the bottom and a surface that goes all the way around. It's got 1, 2, 3 faces. I've only got one face. So that's definitely a cylinder. Now let's see. Oh, what about this? What do you see? What shape can you see on the side? It's a rectangle. So my box of DVDs is a cuboid. Oh, this one. This will trick you. What's this one? Is it a rectangle? Is it a cuboid? No, it's not. It's a little cylinder. So I want to see what sort of 3D shapes you can find in your house for math. And I'd like to count to 20. And do you think you could count to 110? I think you could. I look forward to seeing what shapes you found, 3D shapes. Okay. Oh, and I'm going to put a cool 3D shape song in the email too. Okay. All right, have fun with your maths. Bye-bye.